OF 14.7. Really good to see this on level. Some of the information that I've been really wanting to see is just on the basic flying skills as well. So good, nice level grips on the O. Looks like a real quick key. It's great. Just make sure we stay off the grips from the O to the sorry, it was O to F, isn't it? I haven't seen the top one, but I'm guessing that's close to a bust. Okay, 14s. Let me just roll a page. O, F, 14. So level, we need to be match the levels between Matthew and Otto a little bit better, please. And then Nadia, on this one, you do a good job of waiting for Matthew, but not all the time on this session. Sometimes you're a little bit quick, and Matthew doesn't quite get the side body with you. Otto, you need to do less on your turns. You're really twisting at various points through the turn, and you're losing that sense, that feeling of the air spinning you, and it looks like you're trying to get around the corner. See what I mean here? Like if I look at your body language now, you're twisting around, you're trying to get around, and so now, as opposed to a disc spinning in the air, a propeller spinning in the air, can you see how you've now altered that disc and just dropping that, dropping your arm as you twist around is creating a lot of imbalance in your turn. So initiate the rotation, and it's the same thing on the sevens, some are better than others. Initiate the rotation, Otto, and let the air finish it. If you want to get around faster, you have to do a better initiation. You can't change stuff in the middle of the turn because physics doesn't work like that. As we're spinning, we've got different forces in effect. So hold a good body position, initiate the rotation, and let the air spin you. Don't try and beat that process. You will get better at the process of at the skill of in-place turns, but not by rushing it and changing the body position or changing the disc. See what I mean there, Nadia? See how you're beating Matthew, and what that force is then is he used to do the same thing to you on the tail to outside center, but right now you're doing it to him. So just a little more patience. You can start the turn, just kind of initiate to there, but Matthew does need to get his head here, otherwise you're going to force him away from the center. Again there, Otto, I think that's a really good, have a look at this body position now, Otto. Look at the amount of twist that's going in. There, right there. See that? And so now your body is off balance. I should be seeing at every point in time in four-way, unless we want to create pitch, and now you can see the pitch angle from your body is driving you away from the center. That's what happens there. So you start off really out of balance here. So the key is body 90 degrees to the relative wind, initiation with upper and lower body, let the air spin you, don't force it round, don't try and force it around, don't try and turn, let the air turn you by virtue of the fact of you giving a good input. That's really nice there, Nadia, with regards to the timing. Maybe Yora, you're a little quick there, a little quick for Otto. Let me just see if I can look at Matthew's turns as well. Good. See the 14s. Again here, look at this, Nadia. Look, you really beat Matthew here. And so he's got your legs in his face. And all he needs is just a little more patience from you. Let's check Yora. Yeah, again here. So we've got two cats here, guys. We want to see two side bodies. You're going to you'll push your teammate away, and it'll get them to start changing their turns. It's the same thing that we create when we do the 7. Yeah, we got that timing where Yora and Nadia now, they're just being patient, allowing the knees to come in. There we go. And joining in. And that way everyone has space to make their move. And we need to do the same thing on the 14. We need Nadia and Yora just to be a little more patient. Get your non-piece partner's head alongside you. Give them the space. And there is another target as well, obviously later in the 14, but that's the first one that we should be looking at. So have a look here again, doesn't happen here. We're kind of rushing it. We've got two cats. Obviously cats are longer than side bodies. It's forcing each other away. Yeah, and then we miss the road. So that's also something that's going to affect Otto's rotation, Yora. If he gets your knees in his face, it's going to shy away.